What if every time you sneezed, you produced a tiny speck of gold? You'd suddenly have a pretty good reason to hang out in dusty attics or around your friend with a cat. But don't expect to get rich quick. The average person sneezes about once a day. That's only 365 tiny gold flakes a year. A person is on a crowded bus and feels a sneeze coming on. Everyone around them leans in with tiny jars trying to catch the potential gold dust. Allergies would suddenly become a superpower. Pollen season? More like payday. So maybe we'll just stick to our regular, non-valuable sneezes for now. What's the craziest thing you would do to make yourself sneeze for gold? Let me know in the comments.